And we're live with the end of the day report of yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWave home of the world famous PulseWave price trigger reports. All right, so let's take a look at the close and see how things close today. As you know, the close is the most telling and the most important. Well, the first one is the E-mini S&P 500. We did get that downside production just as anticipated. Here's the rally. So here's the crash alert sell signal. We did get that downside production today. So the bears have wrestled control, and we got a short-term top now in the E-mini S&P 500. As far as the Bitcoin Futures Composite Index, we have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading, and we'll see how that goes. As this market is probably going to try to fill the gap before heading down further. We shall see. As far as DOT goes, well, here we go. Bears are still in control here. All right. So this is looking like it wants to head lower. Looking at Ethereum. All right. This one here, we did get that upside production on the Ethereum. Here's the last night's rally alert buy signal, and you can see the upside production. Looks like the bulls want to take this a little bit higher toward that resistance zone on the euro dollar. You can see here it did go deeper into the Kumo cloud now, getting close to testing the overhead resistance. Next up, we got the British pound. All right, likewise, you can see here a continuation before a reversal and selling off into the close. So this one has to decide what it wants to do too. Is it going to fall back into the Kumo cloud, or does it want to track higher? Next up, we got Nat Gas. Nat Gas now has a crash alert sell signal for tonight into tomorrow's trading. The trend line support here is the initial target. We'll see how much downside we get from that. Taking a look now at Theta. Here's how it did today. We got a rally alert now for tonight into tomorrow's closing. I'm sorry, I'm talking weird. We have a rally alert, a rally alert buy signal for tonight into tomorrow for Theta. And I think we're going to try to get somewhere between the 14 mark, possibly testing that overhead resistance zone. XRP Ripple. All right, so we got the rally alert buy signal today. We got no upside production, so this counts as day one. We'll see if we can get that production tomorrow. Next, we got gold futures. Gold is still trading sideways. All right, as you see, we're in that Kumo cloud, moving sideways. Bulls are still in control for now, keeping the market positive and keeping it from falling. We'll see how long they can do that. Next up, we got the Nasdaq 100. You can see here, here's the crash alert sell signal, and we got that downside production today. Trend line support, though, I think it's still where we're headed. I think more downside to come there. Taking a look now at the crude oil futures, we got a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Not too far away from the initial target trend line support. Secondary support would be the bottom of the Kumo cloud, so that could take oil back down into the high to mid 50s. Taking a look at the Russell My Hustle. You see here we got more downside production today. Bears is still in control of this market. Next up is silver futures. All right, so came into today with that crash alert. We didn't get any downside production. This counts as day one. We'll see if we can get that production between tonight and tomorrow's trading. Taking a look at soybeans. All right, soybeans had that big explosion up today, giving us huge upside production. This thing looks like it wants to go to 15 bucks, ladies and gentlemen. This is where we start paying attention now and deciding, are we going to get start getting involved in this? This is going to be interesting. All right, next up we got the Dow Futures. Dow Futures are here. Here's last night's crash alert sell signal, and here's the downside production we got today. We're still looking for that 32,500 is right here where the trend line support is. So we're looking for further downside. We'll see if we get it. Australian dollar is last but not least on our list tonight. We got upside production before a crash into the close. Bulls are still maintaining the market at this point, not allowing it to crash. Bulls are still in control. We'll see how long we can stay above trend line support on this one. All right, I see you guys in the trading room. All right, yep, I'll pull up the euro again for you right quick. Let's see here, where are we? Here it is. All right, here's the euro yen. All right, so a little bit, the bears technically are still in control of this. All right, here's your initial crash alert, right? And you did get a little bit of downside production, and you got sideways, then you got more downside production, then you got a quick reversal. This bullish pointer is almost like a stop run to take out the longs. Then you crashed into the close. So bears are keeping this market at bay, not letting it rally. All little rallies get sold. So we'll see if the bullish pointer is an immediate turn of events, or do we have some real downside coming to test and take out trend line support first before coming up and then taking out the bullish pointer. Interesting turn of events in the euro yen today. All right, let's see. You guys want to see AQB. All right, let's see here. See what we got. All right, so here is the crash alert sell signal from April the 6th, and we've got nothing but continued downside production since then. Did we take out the pointer? Let's see, 526. And nope, we came within 2 cents of taking out the bearish pointer. So we'll see, does today count as a failed attempt, and will we go back, start heading up tomorrow, or do we take this out tomorrow? All right. Right now, the bears are in complete control, and so I got to call this one to the downside at that point. All right, so that's pretty much it for tonight. Hey, thanks for the love there, Max. I appreciate it. Thank you, Thunderbird and Tico and my man Follow the Way. Appreciate you, Julian. Thanks. Smash that like button for me. Yeah, man. I'm still in the lab, still working on some things, but I know the videos are very important, so that's why I'm keeping them coming. All right. Once I'm done, then out of the lab completely, then we can get back to regular scheduled programming. But for now, I'm just doing them as I can do them. All right. So see you guys in the trading room, and remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.